red seat belts on. Can't forget these guys now, they're so friggin' red. Gotta love them. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to Horsepower Obsessed. Today we're heading up to Blackout Tinting in Latrobe, Pennsylvania to finally pick up the ZR1 after having a massive amount of work done. All right, guys, and to get there, we have to drive this. So the Colorado is gonna get me to point A, and then I'm gonna bring the ZR1 home, pick up the Colorado later. But as much as I love this truck, it just does not even come close to replacing the fun that I have with that ZR1. But anyway, let's jump in the truck, head up there, and take a look at exactly what they did with my ZR1, and finally, have some fun driving it home. So for those of you who don't live in the Northeast or the northern states, you don't really understand how bad it sucks to not be able to drive your Corvette during the wintertime. It gets old really fast, and I miss my Corvette something fierce. Today, it is only about 42 degrees outside, but I have deemed that that is warm enough to go pick up my car and finally start to enjoy the thing. We're heading up to Blackout Tinting now. I'll be there in about 20 minutes, but it's gonna feel like 2 seconds for you. I'll see you guys there. All right, guys, here we are at Blackout Tinting. As you can see right there, this is in Latrobe, Pennsylvania, and out sits my car here. It is all ready to go. We're gonna talk with the owner of Blackout Tinting here in a second and let him go over exactly what they did with the car. Again, a huge thank you to Blackout Tinting. If you guys have any kind of detailing needs, interior detailing, exterior detailing, paint protection, they even do electronics installs here. They pretty much do it all. So if you have anything you need done with a car, ask for Josh, tell him Horsepower Obsessed sent you. I am here with Josh, again, Blackout Tinting. This is the owner. He's gonna go over some of the stuff we've done with the car, and go ahead, take it away.
Cool, so Justin said, hey, I wanna finish the wrap on this thing. So we had originally wrapped the front end with paint protection film, or part of the front end at least. So we brought it back in, it was ceramic coated, so we had to polish off the coating so that we could get the film to stick to it correctly. And we did that. We reinstalled the paint protection film now on the fenders, the doors, the rear quarters are already done. We did the hatch, the rocker panels, basically the rest of the car, all the carbon fiber pieces, all that. And then we ceramic coated on top of that as well. Then we installed slip low. There's a separate video for that. Make sure you check that out, where Justin and me were installing the scrape protection on the front end under the splitter to protect that carbon fiber. And then inside, we ceramic coated the interior carbon fiber pieces. So Patrick, our lead ceramic coating guy, he spent some time cleaning that up and coating that so it makes it a little bit more glossy and easier to clean. And then under the hood, I think Justin will tell you more about that, but we also cleaned that up a little bit. There's some weird stuff from the factory on that, and we used engine dressing to hide that a little bit.
Check out Blackout Tinting. They are great people. They really handle your car detailing in a way that only a car enthusiast can appreciate. But anyway, like Josh said, we had all of this covered with XPEL. So basically the entire car, from the bumper to the bumper, is XPEL'd with XPEL Ultimate Plus, which has the self-healing and obviously still has that beautiful shine. He also put on the XPEL Fusion, which is the ceramic coating on top of the XPEL Ultimate Plus to, again, give it some more shine, make it easier to clean, and just make it beautiful. But as he touched on, the stuff under the hood here, this is dry carbon fiber from the factory, so it kind of doesn't look as pretty as it should for a car that has so much carbon fiber and such a car show stance. So I asked him to take a look at it, and he tried buffing it, detailing it in pretty much every single way possible, and what he ended up finding worked was some engine dressing. It's pretty crazy that something like that would fix this issue. And sitting in the car after months of not being able to drive it, it feels absolutely phenomenal, guys. Look at this carbon fiber. Look at that mirror shine with the XPEL Fusion ceramic coating. I know I'm probably a little bit crazy going ceramic coating on the interior carbon fiber, but this is what it means to be obsessed. Guys, it feels so great to finally be driving this car again. Oh my God, I love this thing. Listen to that thing purr. Love it. Can't wait for summer, guys. It's too hard to be away from this kind of car for so many months during the winter.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
All right, guys, and we are back from Blackout Tinting, and let me just tell you, that was a fantastic drive home. I feel like it's been years since I've driven this car. It is so freaking fun. Initially, if you guys remember, I had the entire front clip, the side skirts, and the rear quarters wrapped with XPEL Ultimate Plus, just to help keep any kind of rock damage down to a minimum. Well, after owning black for less than a couple months, I realized I need the entire car wrapped. Tiny little things such as just washing it would introduce tiny micro scratches, which would eventually turn into swirl marks in the paint, and I didn't want to have to worry about that. So with the car completely wrapped, because of the self-healing properties, I can wash it, I can detail it, and I can feel comfortable about the fact that if any scratches are introduced, all you gotta do is let it sit out in the sun for a little while, and they will be erased. Now, like I've mentioned in a couple stories on YouTube, they actually designed the vinyl cover right here for the Chevy bow ties as well. So if you guys are interested in these, Blackout Tinting and I are gonna partner for the sales for these, and they're gonna be very, very cheap. As you can see here, all it does is cover the gold Chevy bow tie in the actual Corvette flag. For cars, especially black, this is a must. There is no other gold on this car, so that is very prominent, and it stands out way too much. So as you guys can see, we got it in the front and also in the back, and it literally just changes the look of this car. Something so tiny just makes the thing look even more menacing. If you're interested in this stuff, guys, send me an email, horse.power.obsessed@gmail.com, and I will make sure you are one of the first ones to get this. It is gonna be around $7 for both of these things shipped right to your house, and they are obviously black vinyl. But if you have any requests for specific colors, definitely let me know. We can get anything out to you. There was a lot of work involved in this, and Blackout Tinting always takes care of me, and it's fantastic. I love that place. The shop is clean, the people are awesome. Definitely big thumbs up to them. If you guys haven't checked out their YouTube channel, definitely head over there. They have some amazing cars on that channel very often. They are constantly doing XPEL ceramic coating, detailing of very high-end cars. I will put the information all down in the description below. It's not one you want to miss. Now, again, with Blackout Tinting, they also have a big gun bash coming up very soon. I will put those details down in the description below as well. It is during the month of June, so it will be beautiful out. If you're a gun guy, definitely check out that information down below. But anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I feel like I've babbled long enough about this stuff, but I can't say enough good things about Blackout Tinting. I can't say enough good things about the XPEL Fusion, the XPEL Ultimate Plus product. It's fantastic stuff, guys. If you're a car enthusiast, or if you're as obsessed as I am about this kind of stuff, this is where you want to be. But anyway, like I said, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. So if you liked what you saw, give me a big thumbs up. I, of course, want to give a huge thumbs up to Blackout Tinting and XPEL for helping me out with this project. If you guys have any questions about anything we talked about in today's video, shoot them in the comment section down below, or send me an email to the address that I mentioned earlier in this video. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do. I'm gonna have loads of C7 content like this coming, as well as C8 content coming very soon. You're not gonna wanna miss it. And as always, guys, I will catch you in the next upload.